you're not going to see my face in most of these problems. I just want to focus on the solution. So we're working on, still working on the exam review problems, all right? So we're working on inverse variation. Inverse variation. And we're working on number 22 from the exam review packet, all right? So number 22 says the price per person of renting a bus varies inversely with the number of people renting the bus. So it costs $12 per person if 60 people rent the bus. So it costs $12 per person if 60 people rent the bus. All right, $12 per person if 60 people rent the bus. How much would it cost if 78 people rent the bus? So we're trying to figure out what's the cost here if 78 people rent the bus. So let's call this our X, let's call this our Y. And so we're trying to find X when Y is 78. And we're trying to find X when Y is 78. So this is inverse variation, so we need a constant product. So what we want here is we want 12 times 60 to be some constant. All right, 12 times 60 is equal to some constant. So that means we have 12 times 60 is going to be 12, 60, 72, 720 is going to be our constant, all right? So we're working with a constant of 720. And we're trying to solve for this equation. We're trying to solve X times 78 is equal to 720. That's what we're trying to solve for. All right. And so here we have it. X times 78 is equal to 720. So you want to take X times 78 divided by 78. That would be 720 divided by 78. Cancel. I seem to have lost my calculator. It's kind of rough when you're sharing the space. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to just divide through by 6. So if I divide through by 6 here, I'm going to get 1, 18, 13, divide by 6. I'm going to get 12. So that's going to be 120 over 13. You should be able to see, does that work? 13 times 9, let me see. 9 threes, 9 ones, 10. 9 threes, 27 carry the 2. 9 ones, 10. 9 ones, 9, and 12, 11, sorry. 117. So that's going to give me 100, and that's going to give me, of course, 9 times. All right, it's going to be 9 times, and I'm going to have a remainder of 3. All right, so how many people do we need? Now this is going to be where we have to use your judgment. Number of people that we're going to need, or the cost rather, not number of people. The cost is going to be $9 and 3 over 13, whatever that is. So it's going to be $9 and about $9.30 probably. All right, so you have a calculator, you can see that. So this is what the money, you never do it in mathematics. That's it in dollars. All right, so that's it, $9 and change. You do the calculation, you have a calculator. 3 over 13, that should probably be about 920 something, all right? So you do the calculation and figure that out. Okay, so that's number 22 on your review sheet. And again, this was inverse variation.